Hi guys, welcome to another video of this candlestick series. So in this video, we will be learning about 3 advancing soldiers and 3 black crows. So this will be the last video of candlestick series. After that, we will be starting some basic knowledge about trading where I will be teaching you a lot many other things like support, resistance, indicators and everything. Yeah. So without wasting any much further time, let's get started. So this is how this candlestick pattern looks like. So again, this is a 3 candlestick pattern, just like our morning star and evening star. If you don't know what it is, please go back and watch that video again. So in this candlestick, what happens? So again, there are 2 forms. One is for bullish trend, other one is for bearish trend. And this can be traded for a reversal as well as for a continuation of the trend. Yeah. So first, after a downtrend, there will be a green candlestick which will be formed, having a big body and smaller wicks and shadows. After that, what will happen? The next candlestick will be formed in such a way that it will open either within the first green candle or open near the high or above the first green candle. So it will form in this manner, like 1, 2, 3. The 3 candlestick will form in such a manner that second and the third candle will open within the body of the previous candle or high or above the previous candle. Yeah. And then from there, the market will go up. In the 3 black row, that is the bearish pattern, what will happen? After a uptrend, a red candle will be formed. The second and the third candle will be in such a way that the open of the second and third candle will be within the previous body of the candle or within the low or below the low of the previous 2 candles. Yeah. So it will be formed in 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 manner. Yeah. So let me just show you some examples. Then it will be much clear to you. Here, you can see that there was a clear uptrend. After an uptrend, first a green candle was formed. The second green candle opened above the first green candle, and the third candle again opened above the second green candle. So 1, 2, 3. After these 3 candles were formed, you can see the market continued in an uptrend. Yeah. Let me just show you another example for the bearish pattern. Here, you can see that after an uptrend, there was one red candle formed. The second candle opened within the low of the first red candle, and the third candle opened below the low of the second red candle. So 1, 2, 3. After this, the market went down. Again, you see the market took an uptrend, and then again from an uptrend, 1, 2, 3. The 3 black crows were formed, and then from there the market reversed. So you can see here, over here it is forming in the form of a reversal pattern, like market went up and then it started going down. However, over here it is forming in the sense of a continuation. So as I told you, 3 white soldiers and 3 black crows, these 2 patterns can be traded for a reversal as well as for the continuation of the pattern. Yeah. So always remember, the first candle, the second candle and the third candle will be in a 1, 2, 3 in a series manner. Yeah. So I hope you learned something out of it. If so, then please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubts, please drop it down over the comment section. Yeah. So this will be the last video for candlestick series. Coming forward, we will be going ahead with some basics of stock markets. Yeah. Thank you for watching.